Hi everybody, I've gotten some questions about how to find the rubrics for the discussion board and the written assignments, and it's a very good question. So I'm going to make a video and show you how. I actually left out the rubric on Module 1 for the written assignment, so I'm showing you in Module 2. Sorry about that. I guess I didn't need to use the rubric. Everybody did a good job. So when I was grading number 1, I didn't need it. So Module 2, let's see, let's go into the discussion board. Okay, click to launch. And when you get into the discussion board, you see grading information. And then the rubric. So you go to the right and you see that little box, and that's the rubric for you. So if we go back into, again, Module 2, and look at the written assignment. When you get into Module 2, you can actually see that I remembered to put it in. So there's the rubric for you. So again, the written assignment, it's always the same rubric, and for the discussion board, it's always the same rubric that we had before. So hopefully that helps you out as you move forward. Let me know if you have any questions.